So
Amy,
Andy, I have a question for you about that.
yes.
Um, in the beginning, when you're creating your broad match campaign, when you create a phrase match as well, do you use, if you're going to do like, for example, broad match for water bottle, would you also do a phrase match for water bottle? Because
Yeah,
to me, that seems like a waste, simply because you're going to be paying for it twice. Because broad
well,
match is going to fire on every version of water bottle, including the phrase, which is covered.
right. So the reason you would want to do that is because you can actually bid more aggressively on the phrase match. That's the big difference is the broad match will catch stuff that you're not catching in your phrase or your exact. So that's why you would use broad. For example, like you're saying phrase match, if you used a phrase match with water bottle, you might have a bid of like $2, whereas your broad match might be like 60 cents or something. That's the main reason why you split up those match types is because the phrase and the exact are going to be generally be more relevant and you're going to get more conversions from them. So you're willing to spend more money because your return on investment is going to be better because you're targeting, very closely to exactly what your customers are searching for.
Got it. So the reason you'd want to do a phrase match is so that you can show up for that phrase more than just running that broad match where you might not get to the top of the page for that 60-cent bid because, in the algorithm, phrase is going to get you higher up as far as, hey, well, they asked for a phrase match bid of water bottle or they asked for exact. So let's show them higher up in that hierarchy, right, of bids.
Right.